Hello civil engineers, welcome to Civil 147. Myself Srivathu Sai. I was selected as SSCJE VRO in 2022. Today we will discuss a short video regarding SSCJE mains 10 days strategy, last 10 days strategy. As you know, December 4th is the exam. Before entering to this video, we can see these contents: introduction and decoding the new pattern, afterwards syllabus review and what is the action plan and exam day tips. Coming to the introduction, as we know that this time CBT2 exam, that is mains exam, will be objective type. Earlier it was descriptive type. Cutoff for this year almost same as last year. They have selected 1:6 to 1:7 approximately for this mains exam. Don't think these vacancies are fixed. It will vary till mains results also. Now don't bother about these vacancies and all this stuff. And this time a good chances to get selected because of objective type questions will be there and negative marking will be there. Moreover that proper evaluation can be done. Moreover proper evaluation. Last time what happened, descriptive type question. Last time no, till now descriptive paper is there for mains exam. Some are getting more marks, some are getting less marks, some are getting 0 marks even they have done well. It won't happen this time. And don't predict cutoffs now itself. It will vary after the paper came. And don't be low about your prelim score. Means don't bother, don't think too much about your prelim score. You have reached this cutoff now. It is enough. You have qualified for mains exam. That's it. Leave it this cutoffs, marks, all those things. You are eligible for mains exam. That's it. And your mains exam plays a key role to get selected. This keeps you in my mind. Okay. And we can see the next slide and decode the new pattern. As we know, this mains exam objective type. In this paper having 100 questions, each question having 3 marks. For negative answer 1/3 negative they have given, that is 1 mark negative for each wrong answer. Time will be 2 hours 120 minutes, that is almost like a BARC exam, ISRO exam, GATE exam. It like PSUs conducting HPCL, and these PSUs also conducting separately like this pattern only. Almost definitely question standard will be increased compared to prelims exam as per new pattern. Cutoffs for mains exam should be decreased definitely, because descriptive we have got more marks at that time because no negative marking there, and we have written all the questions with freehand. But it's now it's a time constraint paper, time constraint thing, and within 120 minutes we have to attempt to 100 questions. That is very challenging thing. Cutoffs will be definitely decreases, not 300 not that much. We will see that this time mains paper could be quite problematic. Yeah, they will definitely test your problematic and analytical things in this paper. Like in prelims they will give some small numericals, they will give 2-3 numericals hectic, but not that much. But in this mains paper they will definitely give, because every question having 3 marks na? And they will give more tough bits also, in theory bits. It will paper also time taking. Paper can be time taking also. Yes, some easy question will be there, Every question paper also having easy questions. Yeah, we will see. To get good score, practice GATE exam and ESC bits important subject because this you don't feel like if you are don't familiar with GATE and ESC, don't bother about that because only thing is the pattern was changed. Na? We will aware about, we will cautious about the paper. If you practice GATE 2 marks and ESC important topics, na, you will get that edge. The paper can be predicted and we can decode the paper pattern as we are thinking that paper can be as moderate as GATE paper. Not that much hard, but they will give some GATE questions also, some GATE pattern also. Yeah, revise short notes frequently. You know the topics and you know the formulas, but in the exam hall you forget that formulas and all those things because for that only you need to revise fully for the short notes for the accuracy of formulas and theory bits. Moreover that this is the important thing. Almost these BTech students who are written GATE exam, those who are already familiar with GATE calculator, but those who are diploma candidates, they don't know this familiar with GATE calculator. Download from Play Store. It can be helpful to the calculations from now onwards. Coming to the syllabus review, as we can see, the paper standard definitely increases, increased already because every question has 3 marks and the pattern has changed. Okay, coming to these 7 topics, I have segregated. These are mainly focusing on problematic itself. Strength of material, you can see number of problems, important number of problems also, and irrigation. Lot of things to ask in the theoretical wise and numerical wise. You get more edge to crack this exam. And geotechnical. In GATE exam, it is have more weightage. And in this exam also, you can definitely you can good number of questions. You can expect a good number of questions. This is the main heart of this exam. Building material and concrete technology. Some definitely theory bits it will come under this subject only. Environmental and open channel flow. It is environmental having, yeah, theory bits, but problems will also will come. And open channel flow is a main part of fluid mechanics, but it is more important in the competitive exam. You don't neglect this topic and definitely you will get more number of questions from these topics. And last not but least in the important topics, RCC and steel. Definitely those who are in strong these topics, definitely they will get some hits to compare to other students. These topics definitely they will focusing on we and from past gate papers and competitive exam papers. These topics will be more important to ask in the problematic wise and theoretical wise. Apart from that, transportation and surveying hydrology also equal importance having. In surveying they will ask a good number of questions also. Afterwards, fluid mechanics and HM, structural analysis and estimation costing. Don't leave any subject. I have put in last 3 in FMHM and SCA and estimation. Don't neglect these topics, but you mainly focus these 7 and these 3. Definitely don't neglect these 10 topics before going to the exam, and write down all the formulas you know you have studied, and in your material or short notes. Okay, go thoroughly and give test series 1 2 times within 2 3 days, and we'll see what you expecting from these topics. And this is the main subjects, and important subtopics also you definitely cover from these top chapters and these subjects. Afterwards, what is the action plan for these 10 days? Revise the short notes frequently, as I already told. Write down the formulas while you are studying. Yeah, this is the important thing. To avoid the calculation mistakes, do some questions on gate calci. You know, gate calci, everyone think, oh, I know gate calci, I'm familiar. But in the exam, they will click mouse slowly, time consuming 2 to 3 minutes. Where ends the matter? Get previous, repetitive, and important questions. Don't leave. Okay, means in environmental or in GT, some repetitive questions will be there for every year. Same questions, almost same questions will be kept. But those topics don't leave before going to the exam. See some ESC previous questions if you have time, that you already exposed to the topic. Means you already know some topics now from each subject. You have time, go with the TSC previous papers. At least 2 to 5 papers, 3 to 5 papers. You get idea some selected questions also. Selected questions only, sorry. And read the question carefully and take the time while you preparing also. Read the question carefully and take the time while reading the question only. But do the calculation fast. This will decrease your time, and complete complete the overall syllabus at least once before going to the exam. This is a must thing. If you leave some subject now, 1 week or 20 days before you studied, or 30 days before you studied, you may you may forget about small topics also. You will think, "Array, I forgot to revise that thing." That won't be happen. Okay. Exam day tips. Yeah. Before going to the exam, you you think these eight tips in your mind. For good score, attempt at least 60 to 70 questions should be answered with 80 to 90% accuracy. Yeah, every question should be, we will answer 100% only, but we are human beings, we will definitely do the mistakes. It is a good attempt, not good cutoff score or good, not a high score. It is a good attempt. We don't know, this is the highest score also at that time. We don't know, this paper was easy, this is the cutoff score also. We don't know. But keep this is in mind. 60 to 70, sometimes 50 to 60 also. I prepared from my past experience. I I expecting this number of questions sufficient to crack this SSC mains exam. See the overall paper once to avoid missing of easy questions. Even paper is lengthy. Yeah, this was the key thing, because every 1 to 100, first of all, a more number of lengthy questions came na. You avoid last 90 to 100 easy questions will be there, but your time will be no, your time will be no more. You you will be miss easy questions. Try to complete the paper within 100 minutes. This is a challenging thing, but you will complete it within 100 minutes. No? Remaining time for known little lengthy numericals because, and mark for review questions. This is the main thing. If you complete it within 100 minutes or 110 minutes, you can already that means you already refer all paper and and you are already refer the whole paper and you are doing the lengthy numericals also. That is a great thing, and you are doing the mark for review questions also. That will give your accuracy. Don't spend more than 2 to 2.5 minutes for a single question. Yeah, that question you have done. Yeah, you know the concept and you know the formula, you know the data. You are doing right, but time is also constrained. Na? 3 to 5 minutes. Everyone will be no do, but you have to do within 2 to 2 minutes, 2 to 2.5 minutes. Why you are telling 2 to 2.5 minutes means every question don't take 2 minutes. No, some question within 30 seconds also you can answer. There you can interchange the time. That's why I put 2 to 2.5 minutes. Avoid lengthy numericals and vague theory. You don't know the theoretical question. You didn't see it till now. Avoid that. And lengthy numericals. Lengthy numericals. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. You have to predict how much time it will take. Avoid that. Even you know the formula, even you know the process, but time is not there. Avoid it. That time you can use for another question. To avoid calculation mistake, write down the given data on paper. Don't think I will write in the paper, time will be waste. Don't think like that. If you directly put in the calci, mistakes will be starts from there only. Directly see the question and write in the paper, and you can directly put that from the paper into the calci and get the answer. This is the formal way to choose the answer. Even you will lose that 5 to 10 minutes, but accuracy will be there. For easy theory and numerical, once check again to click the answer. Means to avoid silly mistake. Yeah, easy question, Ray. I will do. I will click in 10 seconds. That is not correct. For easy questions only, we will make mistakes easily. There, your accuracy will be decreases. For easy questions, read the question again and confirm the question, confirm the answers again, and pick the correct answer. At last, check all the questions, preview, and that your answers are saved or not. Moreover, that you have to check preview the 100 questions. Yeah, these are questions. These 60 questions, these 55 questions, these 70 questions. Okay, I have I have answered. Okay, I have saved. That's it. Yeah, this is the short video from my side. Welcome and thank you for watching, and all the best for your exam. And if you have any doubts and preparation strategies, prepare in this from this video. If you have any doubts, raise your questions in comment section. And thank you. Follow our Instagram page and YouTube channel. You can message me on Instagram page also. Thank you.